Alright, we're going to work on something today. Looks like panheads. Yep, light was on. There it is. Okay, these ones we're working on today?
Yes.
Okay, you're in charge. Make sure I do it right.
Alright.
You got scratching there, I didn't do it.
Oh, jeez.
The other guy did it. We got valves and rockers. Are these all ground now?
Yeah.
Alright. Look at that. Fancy. Okay. So where's your valves?
Valves are in it.
Springs?
Springs.
These are pretty light.
They won't do the job.
You getting Andrews?
I remember what we're.
It was Crane, I forget. One of them. There's another one. Let's see. Cars over here. We got cars over here. Remember we had this all set up for you.
Mm-hmm.
Then something happened.
Something happened.
What was that? Rocker arms.
Yeah.
Okay, we got those. Oh geez, we got more springs. We got a 5 valve motor. Get one nut, 2 nuts, one collar, more valves. These yours?
And this I have 6 valves.
Yeah, we got extra valves. Boom. Oh, here's the keepers. There's another collar. I knew we had some more junk floating around here somewhere. 2 more collars. And 3 keepers. That's all it needs, 3 keepers, isn't it? So we're missing a keeper. Where's the keeper at?
Missing.
Where's the keeper at?
Stuck in there? Oh, there we go.
These are blocks.
Bring it in a safe place.
I think those are yours. Okay, so I think where we left off before, we were going to use kibble white keepers. Don't remember what color lowers we're using. And we're going to use the uppers that we, whatever brand these were, I don't remember. So the mock-up we got these 2 being used. So these have more clearance than these. Because they're thinner. See how thick it is there?
Mm-hmm.
See how thin it is there?
Mm-hmm.
So it gives you different install height. This one actually sits a little bit lower, gives you more clearance. But we didn't have a lot of, we have way too much clearance, not too little. Okay. I don't know which ones of those we're using. So what was our numbers we had? We had some numbers. Remember what they were? Your box?
Mm-hmm.
472 lift?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. This appears to be front, the rocker arms. Must be the front head.
Appears to be.
Appears to be, but maybe not. Need some air.
I don't think we zipped these down.
We didn't?
We did the other time. Not this time.
Try to be finger tight. My fingers are getting pretty strong.
Right. I'm working them out.
It's all that moving. Why'd you leave me the hard one?
Because I can do it one-handed. There we go.
That was a tight one. Alright. Another one. Okay. So what was our install height? Get a bunch of springs, we need to go check. Need to call on the keeper. Because I know you forgot.
I did forget. I know we did it, but I forgot.
We got 5 to choose from. Oh, we got 5.
Well, you know, I think it was like,
There's 3 of them are way off.
yeah, one was an outlier.
Oop. Lost columns. We don't need that one. In case we lose one, that's what we got.
Exactly.
Those are clean too, ones. We used to have room to work for them. Stupid M8 parts are in the way. See, there's one too many M8 motors around here. Okay. A knocking noise. Alright, I'm tired. Give me my calipers. It doesn't work. Mechanical ones, we gotta make sure it's 0. Is that 0?
Looks good to me.
$900? That sucks. $830. Pretty low. Don't put that on grinder. Transfers grit to motor parts.
Mm.
$830. It's coming back to me now.
835, 842.
Yep. See? Coming back. I think there's an 815 or 2 in there also.
Yeah, wasn't there one?
830. I like that one. I think we're going for 830s. Put your finger in the middle. $30. Hope these all go in order because we're in order right now. $20. Finger strength. $30. What's this one gonna be?
25.
15. Actually, hopefully it comes back 30. I think we have them all. We got a group in the 30s, I think.
Yeah.
30.
There we go. 830 it is.
That one's 20. This is odd man out.
Mm-hmm.
We'll mix it up. Oh, Amazon's in the way. We didn't need that, did we?
Apparently not.
Okay, those go back.
Mm-hmm.
And we'll be back.